It's 7 o'clock. We've just arrived at the bird hut. We've got to be quiet. We're hoping to get some photographs.
Today's stage is wildlife photography, and this is why we are on our way to a hideout to observe some golden eagles. And at this point we will only whisper to each other because the birds are very shy and not used to humans a lot, and this will be a very silent day. We will stay in the hideout from sunrise to sunset, and this is extremely hard because you need to be ready for hours and then doing the shot in seconds. We got our headphones with us so we can listen to a little bit of music. Maybe somebody will fall asleep, it could happen. So let's see what we can get. It's getting brighter now, and there are still 2 eagles left, but it's hard to shoot with the low light conditions, but it's fun to watch. So the wildlife, or especially the bird photography, is a lot about patience and waiting, because the birds are around all the time, but most of the time they are just eating or sitting. So we're waiting all the time for the nice scenes, like a little bit of fighting or a little bit of movement, and that is why we need to keep our eyes on the birds all the time, but shooting not all the time. So it's very difficult to get good shots.
This stage has been about staying in the bird hide, taking some power naps, photographing the eagles, but next we're going to take a ride on the fat bikes.